We cannot fight against science, math, or law in construction and still win. To increase productivity on our project sites, we have to obey the production laws. Typically in construction, we incentivize pushing, but pushing only slows everything down. So what do I mean by push? Push comes when we bring too much excess material inventory on site, try to fix problems by just adding more manpower, or try to fix problems by just throwing money at it. Here's a secret. Are you ready? Are you sitting down? This will only increase the duration of your project. I know it can be scary when a project gets behind, but that is exactly when we should keep a cool head, unless you're in Phoenix. The only way to shorten duration and increase production is to obey the production laws. Here they are. Little's Law. There's a lot more to it, but basically, we must reduce batch sizes, limit work in process, and finish as we go. The Law of Bottlenecks. This law basically states that there are bottlenecks in our system and that they must be optimized or removed, and that more bottlenecks will show up as we do so. The Law of Variation. This one says that as variation increases, the project duration will increase as well. So we must reduce variation on our projects. And Kingman's formula. This formula states that every process has a cycle time that is also affected by its capacity utilization, which is also affected by variation. And so we have to find ways to optimize our processes by area. So in conclusion, if you want to increase productivity and reduce project durations, you must stop pushing. And you must reduce batch sizes, limit work in process, finish as you go, optimize process bottlenecks, reduce variation by clearing the path and making work ready, and optimize trade processes on a standard rhythm. So where do we start? Well, I am glad you asked. You will start with Takt planning and lean principles. If you start this journey, you're headed for remarkable projects. And if you don't, you'll continue to have what you've already got, which I guess isn't that bad. Are you ready to increase production? If not, why not? Sign up for our Takt and Lean certification courses today. We'll see you there. Please like and comment below, please.